And then for your bend parts, we do recognize if there's a flat pattern in SolidWorks, and we'll grab the flat pattern version of that part if we see it.
Okay. That's a good question, because we do a lot of our design in the sheet metal module within SolidWorks.
Okay.
Which usually gives us the opportunity to flatten and get a flat pattern for those parts. Is it reading the K value from SolidWorks itself, or is it kind of doing its own?
So no, we're doing our own, but we have material tables in SigmaNEST with the K value in those tables that it would be reading from. So you would just want to make sure that they match up and they're the same as what SolidWorks is reading.
Okay.
And that's in the event that there's not a flat pattern, then we'll do the unfolding.
Okay. And then yeah, sometimes at least SolidWorks can be a little bit goofy. I don't know how much you work with it. But there it will create a new configuration that is called the flat, basically the flat. But it doesn't do that automatically until you create a 2D drawing and you import a flat drawing. Like, it doesn't auto-generate that, at least for us, for some reason. So would that be a problem here? Like, it has the flat option, like in the design tree, that you can manually trigger and whatnot, or you can toggle the flat option within the design ribbon there. But what
So
does it
I'm
need that
not as
configuration
familiar.
actively in the part file?
I'm not as familiar with that off the top of my head. If we're reading for the flat configuration or if we're just reading for the flat design feature.
Right.
I can double check on that though and get you an answer on that.
Okay.